Welcome to Melo's channel. Let's have fun, and today we have the Technospark 30C unboxing. Are you looking for a new budget phone, or are you a fan of Transformers? We have here the Technospark 30C. For Techno, they have three collaboration phones for Transformers. They had the TechnoSpark 30, the TechnoSpark 30C, and the TechnoSpark 30 Pro. For the price ranges, it differs on how much memory you do get. And for the TechnoSpark 30C that I did got, we have here the 256 gigabyte plus 16 gigabyte of RAM. And this one already is the highest memory, so you'll be sure that your phone is fast, if especially if you take photos a lot and take videos a lot, that would really help your phone be fast and not be slowed down. And this phone also has a dual symmetrical speakers. It is already an 18 watts fast charge. It has 15 MP main camera. It has the octa-core processor IP54. If you really want a solid phone, I think this one would be a good choice for you. But it really depends on what you are looking for a phone. And this Technospark 30C, I really like because of the camera itself. When I saw it in person and tested the camera, I really love the shots taken by it. On the later part of the video, I'll show you the photos and a video of the camera taken by this Techno 30C. And here is the case for the TechnoSpark 30C. It also has actually the normal version, which comes in the 128 gigabyte. And this one we will just put aside first the phone, but I did got the black version. They have the black or the white option for this phone for the color. And inside the box, we do get the Tecno 12 plus 1 warranty and the manual itself. And really glad that it comes with the phone case, since when you do order a better phone case or a phone case that you do like, it comes later on. And here it does come with SIM ejector tool, a power cable, and the charger itself. And let's put everything back first, and we will put everything aside, clean up a bit for the table so we can concentrate on the phone itself. And so far, holding the phone, it is light. It's not really heavy, easy with the wrist. And here we have the Spark 30C. It has the 120 hertz display refresh rate. And here's the back of the phone. It does have the circle camera. And here's the SIM tray, the power button, and the volume. And here's the front, and let's open the phone up. And while waiting, opening the phone, like since I filmed this video, I did use it for about a day now, and the phone itself is running smoothly. And it is pretty much what I have expected from the reviews and from what I have hold on my hand and see and experience on my hand. And if you really love to take photos and videos, like I would recommend this phone. But if you want a higher resolution screen, like if you have the budget, I would recommend the Tecno Spark 30 Pro, since that one has really a good screen with good camera. Like it has everything. But if you're on a budget, the Tecno Spark 30C is good enough. It's just depend on how much memory you get. And here is the videos that I filmed with the Tecno 30C. And this one is already zoomed in times 2. And here are some of the photos, as you can see. That's why I cannot film ASMR, since we do have a lot of roosters. And the roosters are really moving around, so like taking a lot of photos, and here are some still shots. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.